Hello, welcome back to Ammu Pets and Kennels. Today I am introducing the miniature Pomeranian. Obviously, most of the people know about my D-Day, which is the female always available at my store. And one more big like a fan or a pet lover we can say who is a more big pet lover of miniature Pomeranians. Here is our Rahul Bhai. Hello Rahul Bhai, welcome back to Ammu's.
Thank you, Moin. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Rahul Bhai, congratulations. Your Austin is growing so well. I just want to introduce your Austin to the people. From so many days before the lockdown I asked Rahul Bhai. He's always ready and he's really such a sweetheart. And Rahul Bhai, today I just want to ask you about your Austin and your experience. And moreover, you have one more Pomeranian, right? The female one. You didn't got her today.
It's actually very difficult to get both of them together. You can see how they are.
Yeah, he's very hyperactive, too much active. He's the Austin, guys. He's the miniature Pomeranian, the bi-color we can say, white and black color. Very rare breeds. We can tell it's very rare miniature Pomeranians in bi-color. So, Rahul bhai, just I want to ask you, how is the experience? First of all, my always a question with my customers. How is the experience with your Austin? I mean the miniature Pomeranian.
I think this is one of the best things I did to my life, honestly, because you know that I am very picky on quality.
Yes, you're very picky.
And,
I can see you have some birds also, and you ask a lot of questions to me. Yeah. I give you answer with a lot of patience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I normally don't pick up dogs just like that.
Yeah.
Unless and until I'm convinced that it's the right dog for me.
Yeah.
It is of the best quality.
Yeah.
And more importantly, I mean, I love anything that's of the best quality.
Yeah.
So I think I've waited for multiple number of days and maybe years also
Yes.
to get a good dog.
Yeah.
Fortunately, I got the first Pomeranian from you, whose name is Abby. She's at home.
Yeah.
And this is the second one. His name is Austin.
Yeah.
It's been 6 months now that we got him.
Yeah.
And I can just tell you I have more reasons to be happy
Yes.
over the last 6 months than I was ever in my life. So extremely thankful and happy.
Yeah.
And I just want to thank you first, Moin, that you gave me this dog. I'm sure you have a lot of people who are very excited about it, but
Yeah.
thank you for giving it to me.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. And moreover, for the people who are watching this video, they want little information also about miniature Pomeranian. How is the maintenance? If you tell me, you tell your experience to them.
So, Minipom is one, I mean, a lot of us stay in apartments, a lot of us stay in small flats of late, right? So, we actually have 3 dogs at home. There's a miniature Pomeranian whose name is Abby. This
Yeah.
guy is the second one.
Yeah.
And we have a golden retriever.
Yeah, golden retriever. Yeah,
Apart from that, we have an Indian dog. Right?
Indian
So
stray
all
dog.
the 4 of them are pretty good. But I
Okay.
think this is one of the easy breeds to keep at home, number one.
Okay.
Second thing is, a lot of us like dogs to be cute and all of that good stuff, right?
Yeah.
So this guy is possibly the definition of cuteness itself.
Yes, he's absolutely amazing.
And,
What about the grooming things and the food maintenance and all?
Very, very low. Right?
Very low. Yeah. About the fur, people ask always. Is a lot of maintenance, maintaining the dog, as well as lot of grooming. What do you tell?
So if you can spend time 10 minutes with your dog in a day, that's sufficient, right?
Oh, wonderful.
It just needs to be groomed once in a day in the morning, and that's sufficient for him.
Yeah.
Just give him basic food, but good quality food. Right?
Yeah.
The better the quality of food that you give, the lesser the maintenance for it in his lifetime. Right?
Yeah.
Lesser hospital visits and all of that good stuff. Right?
What about the training basis? I mean, training. How will they listen to you?
Yeah. You can see him here, right?
Yeah, he's
number
very
one is-
obedient. Yeah, I can see that.
He's a little naughty, but
Yeah.
the good stuff is this that he's always somebody who we can just talk to, right?
Yeah,
If you just call him, if you've seen,
Yes,
if you
yes,
just
of-
call him wherever he is, he just comes running. Right?
Yeah.
So he knows his needs, he knows what he has to do. We haven't ever given him a trainer,
Yeah.
but just the fact that we are able to talk to him very frequently.
Yeah, I suggested you never go for a trainer,
Yeah.
because you, when the owner, dedication is required. When you spend little dedication towards your animal, you can easily train your baby.
Absolutely.
If you like how you raise your kids and all, absolutely a pet raising also almost same if you ask me. Am I right or wrong?
You're absolutely right, because what happens in training is this, right? I really don't believe that training is the best way.
Yeah.
If you just talk, I mean, you never go send your son to a training or daughter to a training, right?
Yeah.
You send to educate them.
Yes.
And dog is just like that. Right? If you're able to spend some time with them, they understand you a lot.
Yes.
And the more they understand you, the better they become from an interaction perspective.
Yes.
So,
Absolutely.
I mean, again,
Yeah, and what about the veterinarian? I know in Hyderabad, say there is some complaints coming from the customers that Moin, some veterinarians are, just hell billing the like anything else. But there are basic things we have to follow a customer. But as you are little educated about the veterinarian taking care, and also you are not become a fool. If you ask me, am I right or not? Even I want to give some information from this video that be careful, or you can take a suggestion from me, guys. You can message me to for the which veterinarian is best, because most of the veterinarians, I mean not most of, some of the veterinarians are really playing with the emotions of the animals. I'm really seeing that, and more people are getting panic, scared, and lot of things in this pandemic time also. They are getting one more second trouble like pet something is disease they are telling. If you're having a small problem also, they are showing it in a big way and making lot of bills. I'm really sorry to say, but this is fact really happening, and you also gone through with this. So thank God you you got really good educated about the veterinarians, and you asked me also, I guided you, and people, I'm telling you by this video, please be careful. There is no more expensive medicines for the dogs. There is very less you can charge, and ask me for the veterinarians, so I can definitely guide you. And most probably from next time I just want to make a videos with the veterinarians and what the requirements if the puppies get some problem, how to take care. Do not get panic and ask the questions to me. I will definitely guide you. What do you say, Rahul bhai, about this veterinarian and all?
I'd probably relate a question to the quality of mammoos and veterinarian. And
Yeah.
why I'll say that is this.
Yeah,
The better quality that you go for,
Yeah.
and if it might be slightly more expensive, it is fine.
Yeah.
But the better quality that you go for right in the beginning, the lesser are your veterinarian visits in the future, right? So number one, spend money on quality if you're spending something, right?
yeah,
Because lifelong, you at least get a very good guaranteed nice breed.
yes,
And once you get a very good quality of breed, the number of visits that you have to do are very, very less.
yeah,
So basically the attempt is to ensure that it's like prevention is better than cure, right?
yes,
You want to go for the right stuff to prevent any
Yes.
veterinarians in the future.
Yes.
But yeah, obviously sometimes a dog falls sick or something like that.
Yeah.
But those are very, very basic and very, very manageable expenses.
Yeah, there are many experience also. I got Rahul bhai, like lot of doctors डरा दिए customers को बहुत सारा डरा दिए, ये होता है, ये हो जाता है, उसको ये हो जाता है, at the end of the day, thank God they came to me and they guided them in a proper way, and thank God, touch wood, the animals are really absolutely healthy, and still they are playing. मतलब ऐसा भी बोल चुके हैं थोड़े डॉक्टर्स की, ये पपी मर जाता है, इसको ये करवाना है, वो करवाना है, इतना बिल होगा, उतना बिल होगा, बहुत सारे लोग करे। मतलब थोड़े अच्छे डॉक्टर्स भी है हैदराबाद में, दे आर वंडरफुल सीनियर डॉक्टर्स, and they are like absolutely a real pet lovers also as well. So people ask me the questions about the veterinarians also, not a problem. I will definitely guide you about that. And please, a life is saving is must for me and you as well as. Please आराम से आप सोच समझ के डिसीजन लीजिए, वेटरनरीज को भी सही तरीका से आप लोग चूज करिए। एंड राहुल भाई और बोलिए, भाभी को आपके, आई मीन योर वाइफ डजंट लाइक द डॉग्स। आई सा वन फर्स्ट टाइम शी केम टू माय स्टोर, शी वाज ओनली सिटिंग ऑन द कार and not coming out. I saw that day. I still remember that moment. But tell about her experience now, please.
So I can tell you now, we actually have one son, but after Austin we have two sons now, right?
Yeah.
So she loves him as much as she loves Arush, who's our son, right?
Yeah.
We really cannot. He sleeps with us on the bedroom. It's in our bedroom itself. Right?
Yes.
He does everything along with us.
Yes.
So that's the good part.
Yeah.
Now I can tell you one thing, that if you were to ask her saying that can you give Austin away,
Yeah.
she would possibly actually not be comfortable to even think of giving him away to anybody.
Yes, and absolutely.
She
you're
normally
the-
doesn't like dogs, but she loves all the dogs that we have at home. They are like a member of the family right now.
Absolutely, and you are such a wonderful couple. I really want to give some good compliment because your people are really amazing and really a true pet lovers. And Rahul bhai, you tell me, at the last, you tell me your experience about Ammus, coming to the Ammus and having a be true, not a problem. Any complaints or anything? I just people want to know about us. People love us, but still there people have some objections. I don't know why, but still I want your experience, and my people experience is most important. So please tell me.
So I'll give you a little bit of background if that's okay. It might be a longer answer, but
Yeah.
I was in Pune when you got this dog.
Yes.
And it was on 24th of December when you got him to the kennel.
Yes.
And then you put a post on WhatsApp.
Yes. I
And
can.
you didn't even mention that it's for sale.
Yes.
And with that post, I asked you if it's available. I mean, obviously there was something that was going on.
Yes.
It was best to take this dog and somebody booked this dog. So.
Yeah.
But on 28th, I did not spend my year-end with my in-laws.
Yeah.
I flew down to
Yes, yes, yes,
Hyderabad.
yes. You're such a sweetheart.
I
Yeah.
actually went there for my year-end party.
Okay.
But I did not party there. On 28th of December, I flew down to Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Only with the hope that I somehow felt this dog was meant for me.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. Absolutely. You believe me, one lady has given me a check. One lady has given me a check about this puppy that I need this puppy. Unfortunately, the check has been, bounced. And, as well, you also know. Immediately, I told you, I immediately ran away. I don't know how far you was there, but he just ran away to my place and, took him like anything. That was amazing, and I really loved it because you was very, eager to take this dog. Absolutely, now he has become yours.
So, you called me around 10 o'clock in the morning and I
Yes,
was
yes,
still on the
yes.
bed.
Yes, yes.
I woke up just like that and came to a store. I
Yeah, you
didn't
didn't
leave
watch-
my car. I
yes.
took a two-wheeler and came back
Yes, yes,
just
yes.
because of this. And since then, I think I've been living better in my life every
Yes.
single day after we
Yes.
have Austin. Right?
Yes, absolutely.
Can't ask for more. And I just want to thank you for giving the quality of the dog. Because at a puppy stage, everything looks very similar. Right?
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
as they grow, you understand how that quality
Yes,
really
yes,
shapes up.
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
And you're
I always tell my customers also, do not get attracted by the seeing the puppies, because all puppies are very good, beautiful. But what really matters when it's grow. I always say, you also, as well, I say to everyone, that after growing it is responsible, because puppies are always cute. Never believe, because always you have to believe in the bloodlines, parental history, from which kennel the puppy is coming, and from where you are picking up your dog. This I always say to everyone.
And
Yeah.
I can tell you all of those things are very true.
Yeah.
Because at a puppy stage, everything is cute, right? Once
Yes.
they grow, you'll understand their bedlines, you'll understand what the parents are all about, right? The quality of the dog that you really see
Yes.
is only when it grows up, because it will not stay in a puppy stage for long. Right?
Yes.
It'll stay in its adulthood stage for a longer period of time.
Yes.
And he's just still in the puppy ugly stage of Pomeranian, right?
Yeah, but I just want to tell one more comment. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Austin is becoming little motu. Just you have to maintain little diet. I will explain you. That's about that. That's not a problem. And people, please ask about the diet. Not a problem. Ask about the veterinarian. Not a problem. Giving guidance, the better things is my responsibility, and giving the quality is also my responsibility. Please, guys, be patient when you're picking up a puppy. Like Rahul bhai really waited for such a long time, and at the end of the day, he got Austin, and he's really happy. Am I right, Rahul bhai? So, and thank you so much. Hope we'll get a babies of Austin also very soon with the lady which you have.
Or Abby.
Abby, and I think my D-Day also got a boyfriend. They are really good. They are enjoying. And D-Day also, my female who is 3.5 years old, I got from Thailand. It's a direct import. It came from Santana Palms from Thailand. And Rahul bhai, thank you so much for coming. Always you are a sweetheart. And Austin, God bless you. Good luck. Have a nice day. And guys, any questions, please ask about me. About the dogs, you can ask questions, not a problem. I can definitely give you the answer. And wait for the answer, please. मुझे जान मत खाइए. मैं definitely आराम से आप लोगों को reply करूँगा. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Rahul bhai. Good luck. Bye, Austin. Bye. Take care.